Guys, my truck is back. There's my first load since I do up my holiday in the Philippines. Now this is my first load. I'm heading to Tacoma, Washington to pick up VC 7000 trucks. I'm going to put here on the beam sections. Yeah, I am only like 10 axles, but my overall length is gonna be around 117 feet long from my bumper and the bumper for this booster when I connected this booster here. Yeah, okay, ready to go, rock and roll. My truck just finished overhaul the engine, so hopefully he is good now. Okay, see you guys in a bit.